mobile technologies for 2013 and beyond. Gartner, an information technology research and advisory company, has predicted a list of technologies that is going to influence mobile technologies for 2013 and years to come. Please visit teachmemobileapps.com to see the detailed report of the same article. HTML5 is expected to displace proprietary technologies, such as Flash and Silverlight, causing a shift in architecture from native to hybrid or web approaches. By 2015, more than 30% mobile handsets will include near-field communication. Mobiles then could be used for authentication, discount tokens, check-in, etc. More application development tools, featuring Write Once, Run Anywhere, is expected, where a single code can be transported to iOS, BlackBerry, Android, Windows Mobile etc. with very less rewriting. Context-based mobile applications will evolve in combining location and context-aware services, like individual needs, social networking, sensor information and many other clues, to suggest appropriate offers and services. Within the next 2 to 3 years, more number of handsets will adopt Bluetooth 4, which offers low-energy operations and multiple device communication. 802.11ac is likely to be officially approved around 2013, which will take Wi-Fi performance to 1 Gbps levels. Machine-to-machine will enable a wide range of wireless smart networked products and business opportunities. Over the years, augmented reality will evolve and consumer-grade AR is likely to be most useful for marketing and gaming purposes. Enterprises will cater to the needs of multi-platform mobile device management tools, which will evolve to manage and secure a wide range of devices. Long-term evolution, or 4G LTE, will be a widely adopted network in years to come. Thank you for watching. Please visit teachmemobileapps.com to see the detailed report of the same article.